Hey, this is Willed and Well Armed. I'm here at the parking lot of my FFL. This was my initial unboxing of my Bul Armory Sas2 Viper. So that is a 2011. We're going to take a little deeper look at this. So, initial opening up the box. We've got the shield box. The shield's already mounted. Comes with two 15-round magazines. Normally this would come with a 19-round magazine, but this will be my new concealed carry when I get it all in there. Anyway, let's take a look at this and feel the trigger. So picking it up, that is the RMS-c shield red dot. Came mounted on it. Nice beaver tail, fully functional, safety, nice and small. Release, has a Picatinny rail, has the component as well. See the one hole on the top? There's a fiber optic. Kind of funny they put a port barrel and a fiber optic. The barrel is fluted, black barrel. Actually a metal trigger, it feels like. And then got some good cuts on the front. Look like 25 cuts per inch. On the back, kind of have a V looking pattern on the back. And the grip is fairly good. So so here we go. You can see I'm in my car. I've got my coronavirus mask here. I got my hand sanitizer. I hope I didn't pick up any virus from the FFL, so I'll keep on using the hand sanitizer till I get home. But you can see the grips are really nice. They're plastic. The upper is stainless steel, and I'm not sure what the mid body is, but this is imported through Bul Armory in Miami. You can see there's the Picatinny rail. Mag release sticks out a lot. Got the mag, pops right out. So let's give it a trigger pull and see how that looks. Left-handed one. Woo! That is. All right, taking a look at the trigger again. If you could see it. Putting a finger on it. Oh, there's about 1/2 millimeter right there. Oh, nice. Now looking at the reset. Looking at the reset again. And the reset again. Looks like it's a really nice gun. It's going to be fun to shoot. I'll let you know how it shoots when I get it out to the range, when my range opens back up again. But we'll do some dry firing with it and see how it goes. Notice how the hammer is not only skeletonized from the sides, but also skeletonized from the back as well. I'm not sure if that's showing up or not, but really neat how they made that lighter. Yeah, this is going to be really nice. Have a great day. This is Will and Well Armed, and as an Eagle Scout, be prepared.